In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your logo to a PDF file. This is going to be very quick and easy. You can do it online for free. So here is my example PDF file. It's just an example invoice, but you can obviously add your logo to any PDF file. And then here is my logo that I'm going to use. So let's do this now. So we're going to use an online free tool to do this. So go to Google and search for Canva. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on canva.com. And once you're inside of Canva, it's going to ask you to log in. You can create an account with your Gmail account or any socials that may appear very easily. Canva is a free online and photo video editing software. We can go ahead and upload our PDF and very easily add a logo. So what we're going to do is we're going to go create. You can then go upload, then go upload files and click on your PDF. Obviously, you're going to have to find it. Then you can go ahead and click on open. Once you've done that, it's going to upload your file and you'll see it here in recent designs. So we'll just wait for this to be uploaded. We can then go ahead and click on it and it should then take us into the Canva editor. From here, we can zoom in and out with this slider down here. Okay, so now we've got our invoice, our PDF document. Now we need to upload our logo. So click on uploads, then click upload files and find your logo. So here's my logo. We're going to click then open and it's then going to upload the logo to Canva. Now once it's uploaded, you can then drag it onto your PDF. So we'll go ahead and drag this on, and bear in mind this logo is transparent already. It has a transparent background, so I've already done that before. If you've got a logo, I'm sure you've got a transparent version, which you will need. So drag on your logo. As you can see, that looks great. You can move it around, you can resize it, you can twist it, you can do whatever you want with your logo. Then go to share in the top right hand corner, click download. Make sure you're downloading here as PDF standard. If you just want a standard PDF, click download again. Then it's going to open up this file explorer. You can change the file name if you need to, but anyway, choose the download location, click save. And then once you've downloaded it, you can go ahead and open it. And here you can see we have got our logo in the top left. So that is how you do it. Very simple. I hope that helped.